everyone. This video is about supplementary and complementary angles. And we've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 examples. So for the first one, a supplementary angle is the angles add up to 180 degrees. And complementary angles, the angles add up to 90 degrees. So, for example, the first one, if the angle is 40 degrees, then the complement would be 50 degrees. All right? If the angle is 40 degrees, the supplement would be, you just add them up. So, A plus B equals 180. So, for example, if B was 40, and if you subtract 40 from both sides, you get 80 equals 140 degrees. So right here, you would just write 140. The second example, we want to find the measure of ABC. So this angle, so first we have to solve for x. So we're going to take both of these angles and add them up. So 3x minus 31 plus 2x plus 1 should equal 180. Now, collecting like terms, we have 5x plus or minus, in this case, 30. I combine those two, equals 180. You're going to add 30 to both sides, so you get 5x equals plus 30, you get 210. And now we're going to divide both sides by 5, and 210 divided by 5 is 42. So x equals 42. Now if x is 42, we need to plug it in and substitute our x with 42, because this is the angle they want. So 2 times 42 plus 1. So this is going to give you 84 plus 1 equals 85. So this has to be 85 degrees. And for this to be 180, you can either plug in the 42 in here, or we can just say 180 minus 85. And that's going to give you 85 again, or 95. So this would be 95, because those two add up to 180. All right. On this one, we have intersecting lines, and these two angles are supplementary. So these are supplementary. And we want to make these our 1 and 2 so we can solve for x. So since they're supplementary, you add them up together. So you have 28x minus 7 plus 24x plus 18 equals 180. So you add those two up, you get 52. Add these up, or combine those. 18 minus 7 is 11. You get 180. So this is x. So you subtract 11 from both sides, and you get 52x equals 169. Now dividing both sides by 52, you get x equals 3.25. And you're going to round that to the nearest hundredth place. So basically it's going to be 3.25. Now to solve for y, what we want to do, and we'll just go ahead and use the supplementary angles, we're going to plug in our x and substitute x with 3.25 to solve for this angle. So let's substitute that back in. 28 times 3.25 minus 7. So we take care of that. Minus 7. So this is going to be 84 degrees, this angle. All right. Now, to get our y, these two angles have to equal 180. So we're going to take 12y plus 30 plus 84 equals 180. So 12y plus 104 equals 180. 180 minus 104 is 66. So 12y equals 66. Divide both sides by 12 and you get your y. So 66 divided by 12 gives you y equals 5.5. And that would go there. Now the last problem is this one, and this one's a little different. You can either say this whole thing is supplementary, or you can say that this is 90 degrees. So if this is, just do that. This is 90 degrees, because we already have 90 degrees here. So we can just add these up. 6x plus 2 plus 40 equals 90. So we get 6x plus 42 equals 90. And take 90 minus 42 and subtract 42 from both sides. You get 6x equals 48. And you divide both sides by 6. And then x equals 90. So basically, not 90, this is going to be 8. Why am I thinking? I'm thinking about the next question, which says, state the angle relationship. So the angle relationship we used here between these two is their complementary angles. All right. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.